Today, I am reviewing ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is one of the most impressive gaming machines of 2025, and for good reason. Designed for gamers, creators, and power users, this laptop delivers exceptional performance thanks to its powerful hardware, robust design, and innovative features. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, a 16-core powerhouse that can boost up to 5.2 GHz, delivering seamless multitasking, rapid load times, and flawless performance even in the most demanding applications and AAA games. Whether you're editing high-resolution video, running complex 3D models, or diving into the latest AAA titles, this processor keeps things running smoothly, without compromise. Complementing this powerful CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU with 8GB of GDDR5 RAM. This GPU is a game-changer in the laptop space. It supports DLSS 4 AI upscaling and real-time ray tracing, giving games lifelike visuals, realistic lighting effects, and smooth gameplay at high frame rates. For competitive gamers, the RTX 5060 delivers a performance level that can rival even some desktop GPUs, and it's future-proof enough to handle upcoming titles with ease. Paired with the 165Hz FHD Plus anti-glare display, the visuals are crisp, vibrant, and tear-free thanks to NVIDIA G-Sync technology. Whether gaming, streaming, or editing content, this laptop ensures an immersive visual experience with minimal lag. The display itself is a standout feature. At 16 inches with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, the screen provides an excellent balance between size and portability. The anti-glare coating reduces reflection for a better viewing experience in various lighting conditions, and the 165Hz refresh rate makes every motion feel fluid and responsive. Whether you're in the middle of an intense battle or editing a video project, this display delivers clear visuals with precision and smoothness that few laptops in this range can match. When it comes to memory and storage, the ASUS TUF F16 doesn't disappoint. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, multitasking is effortless, and loading heavy programs happens in seconds. Combined with a massive 2TB PCIe SSD, you get plenty of space for games, files, and media, and near-instant boot-up speeds. This makes it ideal not just for gaming, but also for content creators and professionals who demand speed and efficiency. One of the highlights of the ASUS TUF F16 is its build quality. Designed with military-grade durability, it can withstand the rigors of everyday use and travel. The chassis feels solid, the keyboard is responsive with RGB backlighting, and the cooling system keeps the laptop running smoothly even under heavy loads. ASUS has also included a MUX switch and advanced Optimus technology for enhanced graphics performance, ensuring the best possible experience in both gaming and professional work. Connectivity is another strong point. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB ports, this laptop keeps you connected no matter the scenario. Whether you're streaming, gaming online, or transferring large files, the connection remains fast and reliable. The inclusion of a high-quality webcam and Dolby Atmos audio makes it ideal for video calls and streaming, ensuring crystal-clear visuals and sound quality. Portability is something ASUS hasn't compromised. Weighing just 5 pounds and measuring under an inch in thickness, the TUF F16 is surprisingly portable for such a powerful machine. It offers up to 10 hours of battery life, meaning you can take it to a gaming session, a cafe, or a workspace without constantly hunting for a power outlet. In summary, the ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop 2025 is an exceptional choice for serious gamers, creative professionals, and anyone who needs raw power in a portable package. With its cutting-edge Intel i7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 5060 GPU, high-refresh display, military-grade durability, and vast memory and storage options, it truly delivers top-tier performance. This is not just a gaming laptop, it's a versatile powerhouse built to handle whatever you throw at it. If you want high performance, reliability, and stunning visuals in one package, the ASUS TUF F16 deserves serious consideration.